me open it? Yeah? Sorry. Hi, it's Natty, and I am here with my winter FabFitFun box. And I was just talking to my cat because she was sniffing the box. She loves when we get a new FabFitFun because she loves the box. We still have, I think this was the summer or fall box, but we still have it because she likes to sit there. I would change it for the winter one, but it was sitting in the rain, so it's all wet. So anyways, we are going to go ahead and open this. I did customize some of the stuff, but by the time I customize to when I get the box, I never remember. So it's always a nice surprise. So we have the magazine and a HelloFresh thing. We've never done the HelloFresh just because we never have space in our fridge for it. But, oh well. Okay, so reaching in, the very first thing. Mercy fabric shaver. Ooh, I know I did customize this one. Because, you know, when your coats get all yucky and they've got all this, like, extra, like, fur or whatever on it. Well, these are helpful to get all that stuff off. So, I know I customized this because I wanted one. So, I'm really excited to use that. Then we have... Oh, these are cute. So this is Candier, I don't know, candle. So it's a set of 3 candles. So this red one is I'm not coming unless there's wine. It's kind of cute. This one is Let It Flow, Pinot. And how about Missile Nope? So those are really cute. We love candles around here, so I'm liking that. Don't mind the hair. I'm a mess today. I'm going to shower after I work out and wash this disgustingness. Aceology Lifting Treatment Mask. So I'm thinking I'll probably give this to my mother. It says the Aceology Lifting Treatment Mask is a luxurious remedy pressing rewind on the first signs of aging. Designed with next-gen Korean technology to support a miracle blend of ingredients, this peel-off mask boosts elasticity and smooths wrinkles, leaving your skin feeling luminous and rejuvenated. So, we'll see. I might give it to her. We'll see. Every time I give her stuff, she gets really excited and then doesn't use it. So, we'll see if she uses it. Dream Booster. Oh, okay. I like this. This came as, like, just the correct time. I forgot this was in this box, but I just bought a new retinol. And this is supposed to be kind of like a dupe ingredient for retinol. I cannot say the name of this. Bakucho. But if you want to kind of read that, it's kind of blurry. Focus. Maybe. Anyways, but this is supposed to, wait, what? You put it into your moisturizer? Well, it's supposed to target fine lines and wrinkles, help minimize pores, smooth skin texture. And it's gentle enough for daily use, morning or night. So I'm excited. I will probably do this at night. But yeah. Funny story, I just ordered a new retinol, so now we'll have 2 products to try out. Okay. This one I also customized. This is the Sonage mini ice globes. And so these you put in the fridge, and then they're supposed to make your skin feel good and depuff your skin. And I'm always like, I have allergies. I'm allergic to cats, but we have 2 cats. Don't judge. So I'm always waking up puffy. So, ooh, these already feel cold. But they look like this, and there's 2 of them. So you are supposed to pop these in the freezer, and then you just kind of roll them. And I won't do it because I have makeup on and I don't feel like cleaning it. But you roll your face, and they're supposed to help with the depuffing, and they feel nice. So, I'm excited. And I think we have one more thing. And I can't remember if this is the one I customized or if this one was the one where I thought, any of them would be fine. But this last item, I think it's the last item. Yeah. So this last item is a cart organizer. So this thing kind of opens up, and then you can organize all the junk in your cart. And so this will be helpful so that I don't have a ton of stuff just flying around. my my trunk is a mess, so this will be helpful to organize my trunk. So anyways, that's everything that I got. I hope you all enjoyed this hot mess video. Is how we roll around here. But anyways, let me know if you get FabFitFun and if you got this box and what items you got. If you've tried any of these items before, let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time. Bye.